Corruption or absence of this file on your PC will cause this error. If you also have the same problem, you have to watch this video to help you eliminate the following error. Now for the first fix, make sure that your Windows is up to date. To ensure that, head over to Settings, select Windows Update, click on Check for Updates, and then Windows Update will run and download any recent updates. Next up, check your PC for malware. To do that, open Windows Security on your PC, click Virus and Threat Protection, then you can either choose a quick scan for a quick scan, or full scan to do a fuller scan to find any virus on your computer. Now this will remove them instantly and fix the error most probably as well. Lastly, run a System File Checker scan or check this scan. In order for you to do that, open Command Prompt with admin rights, type in the following command to do a System File Checker, and then press Enter. After that, type in the following command for the check this scan, then press Enter. Now the scan will be completed in a few seconds, and hopefully, along with it. So that's how you can fix the following error in your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.